Where's my hat?
George, dear.
Hat!
I thought you put it down here. Hat! I'm sure bowler hat can simply disappear.
You think they'll find a nanny who doesn't run away?
He's brushed it with boot polish.
Precision and order, that's all that I ask. The running of a household, a straightforward task. The children, the servants, are all your domain.
Whilst I remain the sovereign, mind you use the day well.